I am Rushit Sejpal, equity analyst at William O'Neill India. This is weekly market overview for the week ending June 3rd. So let's start with the Nifty 50 chart. So Monday was a very good day. So last Friday Nifty closed just above its 21 DMA, and that was some positive sign. And Monday the gap up was very good, and Nifty closed near the day's high. So the action was very strong, but we didn't consider it as a follow-through day, and market status was not shifted to an uptrend, but it remained in a rally attempt. The reason being the volume. Volume Friday के session से कम था. So what we are looking for a follow-through day is 1.5% or higher gain on a volume which is higher than the previous session. But यहाँ पे volume कम था, so we didn't consider it as a follow-through day. So next 2 days थोड़ा weak रहा market, but there was no major fall, and for that time this pink line over here, that is the very short-term moving average 5 EMA. Not a very good indicator, but yes, I think since last few times it is working. So like over here also this line you see, यहाँ पे पूरा रेजिस्टेंस दिया था, यहाँ पे अभी इस वीक पे पूरा 5 EMA के पास सपोर्ट मिला है. So let's see. So that level is somewhere around 16,550 level. So ideally Nifty should hold from that point of time. On the higher side, ये red line बहुत important हो जाती है. That is the 50 DMA. 16,900 के 10-20 points around में है अभी 50 DMA. So if Nifty reclaims that 50 DMA, then that is very positive. वैसे देखा जाए तो आज का एक्शन काफी पॉजिटिव साइड में था. In the morning, Nifty moved, gapped up and moved about 16,700 level, which was acting as a resistance. यहाँ पे 2 दिन that level पे Nifty faced resistance, and but what happened, like in the second half, the selling intensified and Nifty closed near the day's low, which is not great. This one you might be surprising कि ये क्या है. ये May 31st वाला दिन है जब volume was very high, like it was a huge volume, more than twice the average volume, but the reason can be the MSCI rebalancing. That can be the reason for that. Okay, so now for the Nifty, the important part is to reclaim the 50 DMA and not to fall below the current week's low, that is the or somewhere near the 5 EMA. So that becomes important for Nifty. If you look on the sector wise, see the leading sectors that are having a high weightage have given up during the week. Let's say for example the banks, the pharmas, the financial service, they have good weight in Nifty, but they were weak. But if you look at IT, yes, after some major underperformance, IT did well. Same was with reality. Here also there was a lot of underperformance. If you can see over the last 1 month, around 8% of fall. The pharma, it continues falling 8% 1 month में भी था. And yes, over here IT में भी अगर 3 month का fall देखे तो that is somewhere around 12, and for 6 months that is almost 16. So that is a major fall that you can see in the IT sector. But yeah, this week was good. So 4.4% gain. So there was some rebound over there. So let's see how the things work out. For Nifty, it was a good week, 1.4% gain. For Sensex, it was 1.6. Small cap did really well. Like a few of the broader market stocks, the stock specific rallies अच्छा रहा ये week में. You might have seen a lot of stocks hitting upper circuits, और कुछ stocks में momentum बहुत अच्छा है. 52 week high cross कर दिया. But yes, overall, it's a very neutral. Today I will also discuss about some of the global market, and that will give you a good indication कि हाँ अभी it's not the confirmed uptrend thing type of market. यहाँ पे भी अगर S&P का आप चार्ट देखें तो in the year 2022 already 3 follow through days have failed, and so this one was the 4th follow through day at this point of time. अभी शॉर्ट टर्म मूविंग एवरेज 21 DMA तो रिटेन कर ही लिया है, so that is positive for the US market. But this blue line, the lower trending blue line, 50 DMA, and that can act as a immediate resistance for the US market as well. If you look at the European market, let's consider stock 600. So यहाँ पे भी कंफर्म अप ट्रेंड में आ गया है, बट ऑलरेडी 2 फॉलो थ्रू डे फेल हो गए इस ईयर में. But what is not very interesting about the European market, or you can say stock 600, is कि जो भी lagging sectors है वही sectors ने इस बार की रैली में थोड़ा सपोर्ट दिया है. So that is not always a ideal thing कि हाँ सिर्फ कुछ सेक्टर को लेके अगर रैली होती है, and that are also lagging sector कि हाँ नीचे से अभी थोड़ा उठा है एंड मार्केट को रैली मिली है, सो दैट इज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉलो थ्रू डे कंसिडर. जब भी लीडिंग स्टॉक और लीडिंग सेक्टर अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं फॉलो थ्रू डे आने के बाद, देन दैट इज द बेस्ट केस, एंड दैट्स नॉट हैपेंड विद स्टॉक 600. Now at William O'Neill we take 25 developed and 25 emerging market. So अगर मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे देखें तो परफॉर्मेंस इज वेरी गुड, क्योंकि 13 मई को कोई भी डेवलप मार्केट इंडेक्स कंफर्म अप ट्रेंड में नहीं था. आई थिंक 13 वर इन डाउन ट्रेंड and 10 were in a rally attempt state. But now if you look at as of yesterday, 16 indexes are in a confirmed uptrend and only one is in a downtrend and 7 are in a rally attempt. और distribution day भी अगर देखो तो 1 से 2 ही है, कोई major distribution day अभी आया नहीं है. But yes, you should remember अभी भी 50 DMA से नीचे है. If you look at the emerging market, a similar type of story, only 4 were in a confirm uptrend and now there are 15. And yes, India is still not in a confirm uptrend, so let's see if it quickly comes. And yes, for the next week, there is a RBI MPC on June 6 to 8, and we will know what happened on June 8. So see, the food and fuel inflation is still higher. अभी गवर्नमेंट ने थोड़ा रेट कट किया था एक्साइज पे, अराउंड 8 to 10 रुपीस का कट आया था डीजल पेट्रोल में. बट देन ऑल्सो अभी अगर आप देखें तो क्रूड ऑयल फिर से बढ़ गया है एंड फूड एंड फ्यूल इन्फ्लेशन इज स्टिल देयर. And if you look at the consensus estimate, they are estimating somewhere around 100 to 125 bips of rate hike over the next 4 MPC. So, and इस बार के लिए somewhere around 30 to 50 bips का expectation है for the June meeting. And it is expected कि जो inflation का target है वो भी बढ़ा के 6.9% कर दे for FY23. So let's see what happens, what RBI governor has to say about the latest data around the inflation, what they think around the inflation and their guidance about the inflation. क्योंकि पेट्रोल में डीजल में जो प्राइस कट हुआ है उसका कितना इम्पैक्ट होगा, फूड इन्फ्लेशन का क्या होगा, मॉनसून इज अबाउट टू स्टार्ट. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द आउटलुक फ्रॉम द गवर्नर साइड. बट यस, दीज आर द एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट अराउंड 100 and 125 बिप्स ओवर द नेक्स्ट 4 मीटिंग्स. So that's it for the today's session. Thank you.